Kids Media.
There are several occasions you may need to fill a PDF form and you may be looking for a way without printing it. In this video, we will focus on how to fill a PDF form using Adobe Acrobat Reader, which is a free software from Adobe. To download the application, go to your favorite web browser and choose google.com and search for the application named Adobe Reader DC. Then you click on the link which states get.adobe.com. First, verify your operating system version given on the screen. You may click on the below link if you want to change operating system. Select the language which you want to use. Then, select the software version from the drop-down menu. The optional offers are not needed, so we will uncheck them and click on the Download Acrobat Reader button. Once the download is finished, we open the file from the downloaded location. To open the file, you may double click on the file or you can also right click and select open. It will now go to the internet and download the full package and install in your system. Once it is completed, click on the finish button to close the window. Now open the file which you want to modify. In order to open the file, I am going to right click and select open with, then choose another app. There I select Adobe Acrobat Reader and click on the checkbox named always use this app to open .pdf files, then click OK. Once you open the file, you choose fill and sign icon and find the toolbar with required tools to modify the file. You can also find the fill and sign icon in the right side of the document in the header area. To type text, you can select the text tool and then start typing your details. To adjust your typing, you can click on the square and move to the correct location. You can also increase the font and decrease the font by clicking the A icon. If you want to tick a selection, then you can use the tick mark from the toolbar. If you want to circle an option, then you can select the oval shape and you can mark the selection. You can always adjust the changes by moving the objects. If you want to strike out something, then you can use the line tool on the top and just adjust it till the place where you want to strike through. If you want to delete, then you can click on the trash icon. There are some places where you want to write using a pen or pencil. In that scenario, you can select the comment option from the headers at the right side. You can also access the tools by going to View, Tools, Comment. Once you select it, you can see the comment toolbar on the top. You can select any tools from there which you want to use. Also, you can select the color as per your need. I am going to select black color and use the pencil tool to draw. If you want to strike out with the pencil tool, you can do that by selecting the pencil tool from toolbar and drawing a line. If you want to match something, you can do it by using the pencil tool. You can drag and draw the line to match. To get released from any selected tool, you can choose another tool or you can select the mouse pointer. Once you have completed your work, you need to save the file to keep all the changes. So go to File, select Save and save it with different file name to preserve the original file.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe for more videos.